Yep.
Hey people, welcome back. It's your boy Big Smooth down here at Frank Myers Auto Maxx on this beautiful Friday, okay? I have a special guest in the building. This is Miss Wilson. Miss Wilson, wave to the people. Hey! Miss Wilson came down to purchase a nice new ride. She said this was her first time ever doing this, okay? I said, give me a little bit of your time. I'll make it sweet for you, okay? Now, Miss Wilson, tell the world what you're taking home today, sweetheart. What you taking home? 2008. She a little shy, so I'm gonna say it for her. I'm taking home a 2008 Subaru Impreza, thanks to Larry. A beautiful vehicle, great transportation back and forth, just like she needed. Okay. Now, how was your experience today, Miss Wilson?
Good.
Tell them again. She said it was good. It was smooth, just like I planned for it to be. Okay, people. If you want a nice, smooth experience, come down to Frank Myers. See Big Smooth. The same will happen for you. Okay. Now, on the count of 3, we can welcome her to the family. All right, behind you, we'll give her one big whack. I need one big whack out of you, okay? 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Hey, people, you can't do the same thing. This is 336-397-1444. There you have it. And we're out.